Hi guys, my name is Yettieglam. You're welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing an eyeshadow makeup tutorial and I am super excited about it. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, it is always a pleasure to have you. Please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And kindly share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Okay. Let's get started. I'm going in with a spoolie to brush the brow hairs, and then I'm going in with the Davies pencil in the shade number 3. I'm using that to line my brows and just to fill it in. I'm just brushing it off with a spoolie. I'm going in with the Yettieglam Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm using this angle brush to clean up the edges of my brows. And guys, I really want to appreciate all the support that I've gotten so far on this channel. It's not easy creating this content. This particular video took me 3 takes to produce this tutorial right here that you're seeing. Please guys, support this video by giving this video a huge like and please share so I can get more likes. Alright, so I've gone in with a fluffy brush to blend out the concealer. I'm going to take this reddish brown eyeshadow from Blossom eyeshadow palette. It's a Nigerian brand, and as you can see, I'm tapping it into the crease area, so ensure that you tap in your eyeshadow. Don't just whack it and start blending. You want to tap it in first and then you can then start blending it. It's always advisable to use a blending brush because it allows you to blend in the precise area that you want to blend. So you want to blend so you don't have any harsh lines. Blending is key, guys, to applying a beautiful eyeshadow on your eyes. You have to blend it. I'm going in with the dark brown here. I'm going to just tap it on top of the previous eyeshadow that I applied, and then I'll blend it. If you feel like you need more color, just go in and tap, and then blend. I'm going back in with the blending brush, sorry, just to blend the 2 shadows together so that there is no harsh line. And then you also want to blend and extend the blending to the bottom lash line as well. So just connect everything together. Alright, so I'm going in with this shimmer gold. I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so you also want to tap. I'm using a flat brush. Just tap, very little tap. And then just apply it until you are halfway through the lid of the eyes, and then just kindly blend it in. To the shadow that's in the crease area. I'm not sure why I'm laughing here. Alright, so I'm just using the blending brush to blend any harsh line. This is not a cut crease, so that's why I'm blending the edges out. And when you're blending, make sure that you're using light strokes, very light strokes, just to blend it out. You want to blend until you are satisfied with the result. Next, I'm going to be lining with the a black gel liner from Huda Beauty. I'm using a little angle brush. And then you want to line as close to the lash as possible, and then make sure you connect it to the bottom line of your lash as well. Next, I'm going in with the mascara, and then after this I'm going to apply my foundation off camera and do my second eye as well. Alright, so I've done that, and I'm just using the reddish brown shadow earlier just to blend the bottom line lash as well. I'm also going in with the gel liner, the black gel liner, just to ensure that everything just, you know, flows nicely. And then also for my inner corner eye, I'm applying the gold shadow as well. And that's it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I'm super excited how it came out. I hope you like it. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below. Share your thoughts on this particular look, and if you have any challenge or if you have any technique on eyeshadow application that you like to share, please drop comments down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Do not forget to subscribe, and please share the video. Until my next video, stay blessed.